The ideal orientation for your part is dependent on several factors. The best option isn't always intuitive, and getting a little help analyzing and evaluating the different factors can help you achieve better outcomes. This is where the Orient part tool inside Netfabb can help. Let's take a look. After import, simply open the Orient part tool to begin. Here you have several options to constrain how it will perform the search. For supports, you can select areas of the part that cannot be supported, the critical angle where supports will be required, and whether the bottom surface will need to be supported, and a specified distance from the platform. You can also create constraints around the build platform itself, specifying the required distance from the sides of the platform, as well as a limit on the overall height of the build. Finally, you can customize the angles at which the part can be rotated during the evaluation. This can range from 180-degree increments to smaller angles in the case of highly irregular shapes. Before you begin the search, it's also useful to customize how the various outcomes will be ranked. For example, if you're using a process that will not require supports, then you can change the supported area and volume to 0 in the ranking. Similarly, you can rank the outbox volume, part height, and the height of the center of gravity. You can also create custom rankings using combinations of these factors in the formula editor. Once you're set, hit search, and Netfabb will calculate and rank the possible orientations. You can click on each outcome to see the orientation, along with a preview of where supports will be required based on the critical angle you specified. When you've identified the orientation you want to see, just hit OK, and you're set to continue preparing your build.